Gardening is an enclosed piece of ground devoted to planting flowers, fruits, or vegetables. Which leads us to this, the importance of farmers and gardeners. They are the backbone of our society. Farmers, they provide us with all the food that we eat. As a result, the entire population of the country depends on farmers. Because of this, there are a lot of positive effects of farmers and gardeners to our environment. Through this process, plants absorb any chemicals, bacteria, or harmful elements floating in the breeze, which they can then filter into useful waste products like water and oxygen. Another positive effect that farmers have on the environment is simple. They grow plants, and plants have roots that improve the soil stability. This then prevents landslides and keep these ecosystems intact. The overall importance of farmers and gardeners are: they provide us with food, their plants help clean the air, and these plants prevent landslides.